A new poll and more research suggests belief in COVID-19 conspiracy theories are growing as trust in the NIAID director, Dr. Anthony Fauci, becomes more divisive. Researchers from the University of Pennsylvania found more Americans now believe the virus was created for use as a biological weapon. The poll finds a growing number of people now blame China for the creation of COVID-19. 31% say they believe the theory that the Chinese government created COVID-19 to use as a weapon. That's an 8% increase over the 23% who believed this in March of 2020. The November survey by the Annenberg Public Policy Center examined changing beliefs among 1,600 adults as the coronavirus pandemic reaches the end of its second year. In general, the team says some of the information many respondents choose to believe is making them more hesitant about the COVID-19 vaccine. Specifically, there is a growing divide between people who continue to trust the government's health officials, like Dr. Anthony Fauci, and those who now have no confidence in their motives at all. Director of the Annenberg Public Policy Center, Kathleen Hall-Jamieson, said, quote, "Key consequential deceptions continue to predict hesitancy for oneself and one's children and a reluctance to get a booster." She says more people reject these conspiracies and misbeliefs than accept them, but that they still should be fact-checked. Researchers say that opinions about Dr. Anthony Fauci are becoming more and more divided, with 36% now having the highest degree of confidence in Dr. Fauci's pandemic leadership, down from 41% in April. The same numbers say they are very confident or somewhat confident in Fauci's judgment, although more people are moving into the somewhat category. 16% of Americans now say they have no confidence in Dr. Fauci at all, increasing from 12% in April. Study authors say much of this has to do with consumers of conservative-leaning news outlets losing confidence in both Fauci and the nation's various health agencies. Study authors say that most people trust their doctors over the government. For more details on this and other studies, head to studyfinds.org.